So I started this test drive out in eco mode. Still fantastic acceleration. And what's wild is you have the electric powertrain along with a twin turbo V6. It's just strained, but you always have quite a bit of torque at your disposal. And the exhaust note is absolutely fantastic. Really aggressive sound. Now let's put this into sport mode and see what it does. I'm gonna give myself a little space. No one's behind me. And then I'm putting my foot down. Pretty quick truck. Now I have the lane centering on with the radar cruise control. Let's put it into eco mode. Nice ride coming down here though. It's kind of windy and cold outside, so I'm getting a little bit of wind noise, but nothing too bad. So it looks like I'm getting right at 18 to 20 on the highway. Now it's not the smoothest ride because this does have pretty big tires, but comfortable, and a lot of that has to do with, of course, with it being a pickup truck and then having such supportive seats. And the engine's cut off now. Now, one thing I've noticed about this Tundra, the hybrid engine is really meant to help with acceleration, it seems, because if you give this just a tad bit of throttle, it'll help you out of a stop, but for a split second or two, and then the gas engine kicks back on. Kind of like in the BMWs and Mercedes with the mild hybrid systems, it's really there to serve as instant torque instead of auto stop, which is fine, but you really just are here for the power. And even in eco mode, this thing flies. It's crazy. Now, all in all, for a $70,000 sticker price, it's about in line with everything else from Chevy, Dodge, Ford. But with these being brand new and the chip shortage, and Toyotas have just been, you can't find them anywhere. Specifically the redesigns, so the Prius, the Crown, the Tundras, the Sequoias, really hard to get your hands on that. So I'm sure whoever bought this paid $10-15 over sticker and probably sold it for more than sticker price. So it's still a weird time to try and get one of these. If you really want one, go ahead. But pretty impressive truck all in all. Great job with the 14-inch screen here, the controls, the shifter, and specifically with this TRD Pro, the overall design and just the stance of this truck is super, super rugged. Probably one of the better looking trucks in my opinion, as opposed to, say, a Tremor or an F-150 Tremor or a Silverado Trail Boss. Of course, this is the newest redesign out of pretty much any new pickup, so it's gonna have a leg up there other than GMC redoing the Sierra. But all in all, for the money, like I said, for the sticker price money, you get quite a bit standard. But a really nice truck to look at. Super nice interior. Tons of features. So no complaints here. It's just going to be a little hard to get one. And this will bring me to the end of my review of the 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro.